So what you're seeing in front of you today is the Mescalero Apache School aerial drone competition. In front of you, you have our entire drone field. The students are participating in two types of competitions. One, teamwork, where two teams compete against another two to score points by moving a series of balls around the field. And the second, fully autonomous scoring, where the students are given a chance to input a set of programming into their drone and then let it go for a full 60 seconds without any interaction. So our pilots are out here today not just to score and evaluate the students, but also to be part of Air Education Training Command's outreach to the community. We're out here trying to be examples to the students while also trying to demystify what's occurring on Holloman Air Force Base. Ultimately, we're walking away hoping that the students had a really fun time, learned a little, had positive interactions with their peers and friends, and at the end of the day are inspired perhaps for a future in military service or in studying within the STEM fields.
My opinion on the whole drone competition is that it's really cool and it's very fun to be interactive with people. We meet new people. Interacting with the airmen from Holloman was cool because they were very nice and talkative and got a lot of students out of their comfort zone.